Hello everyone, welcome to Yarn Wonders week 3 of mini Rakhi series. Today we are going to use this pattern to make Sarangi design of Rakhi. This is how it looks like. For this we need any two color of yarn, some beads. You can choose as per your wish. I am going to take these two colors, some beads and 2.5 mm hook. So let's get started. For this we have to start with the magic ring. In this magic ring we have to put 6 single crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have done 6 single crochets. We have to close the magic ring. You have to slip stitch into the first single crochet. Pull the yarn. We have to change the color for the second row. For this I am using this pink yarn. Insert the hook into the last stitch and the first stitch. So you see I took the pink yarn from Hussein. I am going to pull the blue yarn. I have changed the color. Now for the second row, 3 chain. 3 chain. For the second row I have to put 2 double crochets together, 1 chain, 2 double crochets together in one single crochet. In one single crochet we have to put 2 double crochet together, chain 1, 2 double crochet and chain 1. So this 3 chains denotes 1 double crochet. So I am going to put 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, 2 double crochet together. 2 double crochet together means incomplete double crochet, 2 double crochets together. 1 incomplete double crochet, another incomplete double crochet. There will be 3 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through 3. This is 2 double crochets together, chain 1. As you see I didn't cut the green yarn. I am going to use this in the third row. Now into the next stitch, incomplete double crochet 1 and 2, pull through 3, chain 1, in the same stitch, incomplete double crochet 1, incomplete double crochet. There will be 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 and chain 1. Likewise, we have to do 2 double crochets together, chain 1, 2 double crochet together in all the stitches. So I am into the last stitch. And complete double crochets, 2 together, chain 1, another incomplete double crochet 1, and 2 together, chain 1. Now I am going to slip stitch in the first stitch. Pull the yarn. Here I am going to change the color to the screen. For changing the color, I am inserting the hook into the first stitch. And where I slip stitched it, I'm going to pull the yarn through that, the yarn through this, and the last stitch I'm going to remove the pink yarn and chain 1. I'm going to cut the pink yarn. In the third row, where we put all the chain spaces, chain 1 spaces, we have to do 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 1 single crochet. Five double crochets in between the two together double crochet, 2 together stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In between the 2 stitches we have to put 1 single crochet. And the next chain space in between 2 together, double crochet 2 together, we have to put 5 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 2. And a single crochet in between the 2 stitches. In every chain spaces we have to do 5 double crochets, and in the next chain space we have to do 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Single crochet. We have to repeat in these stitches also. So we are doing the last set of 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to slip stitch, single crochet into the last chain space. Cut the yarn. So we have finished till this. Now we have to do the I-cord, attach the bead and not with this side. Let's do the I-cord. For I-cord I am taking these 2 yarns, making a slip knot. We have to wrap the blue around the hook, yarn over the pink and pull through the loops. You can do this to the required length we want. If you don't want to put the I-cord, you can plainly put the chain stitches. Just make a chain stitch and we can connect that to the so this is the I-cord. Let's do 2 more stitches. Wrap the yarn around the hook, yarn over and pull with the other yarn. So this is the length I require. I'm going to cut the yarn. Make a knot to secure the stitches. So like this I have to do another I-cord. So I have done 2 of this I-cord. I am going to attach this with a bead. Insert the bead. Insert the needle into the single crochet space. And make a knot. Make another knot. Make another knot. Okay. I'm going to insert the excess yarn into the bead itself and secure the so secure the inside the bead. I'm going to cut the yarn. Likewise we have to do the other side also. So I have attached in both sides. I'm going to hide the yarns in the stitches. Likewise we have to hide all the yarns in the stitch itself. So the rakki is over. I have hidden all the loose ends into the stitch itself. For more videos like this, do check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.